Hi students, now we are going to see one small problem which is asked in JEE Mains. So let's see what is that problem. So they are given one quadratic equations, they are asking find the product of roots of the equations. So seeing the equation, there is no modulus means it is simple one which is belongs to 8th standard or 9th standards. So consider there is no modulus means equation is 9x square minus 18x plus 5 is equal to 0. If it is, there is no modulus means. You know very well, I hope everybody knowing how to find the roots. It is a quadratic equations. So you can use any one, minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, otherwise factorizing the quadratic equations. Finally you get a answer for x. So what we will get means x is equal to 5 by 3, 1 by 3. So it is simple one. If it is, there is no modulus means. But here they are also mentioning modulus. So we can't find directly in the presence of modulus. So now they taken y as modulus of x. So change, now the equation becomes 9y square minus 18y plus y 5 is equal to 0. So now they are using the formula minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a minus b value 18. So substituting b value, already there is minus. So formula is minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac whole square divided by 2a. So value of b is 18. Here also minus. So therefore 18 plus or minus b square 18 square minus 4. A means 9, c 5 divided by 2a. A value 9, 2a, 2 into 9, 18. 18 square 3 to 4. So multiplying 4, 9, 20 means 20, 180. So simplifying you will get 12. So if it is plus means you will get a 5 by 3. If it is minus means you will get a 1 by 3. So now shifting, changing y into x. So y is equal to modulus of x. Therefore x is equal to plus or minus y. Here y value 2 values. Therefore in the plus or minus means we get a 4 values. So 4 roots. So product of roots means we have to multiply that 4 roots. Finally we will get 25 divided by 81. But here is something, it is difficult one. There is one small method. Another way we can also try. So what is that? Let's see. So in 11th standard, 12th standards, there is one function. What is that? Modulus of function. Modulus function. Modulus function. So what defines the modulus function means, so in positive condition x remains positive, in negative condition x become minus x. Therefore the equation split into two, one for positive and negative. So in the case of positive, the equation become 9x square minus 18x plus 5 is equal to 0. Because positive means x is remains as it is plus. So therefore equation becomes, in the negative condition, x change into minus x. So multiplying minus minus, finally we get 18x, 9x square plus 5 is equal to 0. So now find the roots. So we know the formula, product of roots alpha beta is equal to c by a. What is c? 5. What is a? 9. So for this equation, the product of roots is 5 by 9. For this equation, here also we get same only 5 by 9 because product of roots is not dependent on b. So therefore here is also we getting same product of roots. So now we have two product of roots 5 by 9, here also 5 by 9. Finally multiplying these two we get 25 divided by 81, which is also similar to this. So comparing these two ways, which is better, okay? If you know a modulus function, so in this equation, in the positive condition it acts as plus, in the negative condition it acts minus x. The equation becomes split into two types. Find the product of roots, here also find the product of roots, multiplying these two, finally you get the answers. So that's a one critical one. So there is no modulus means which is belongs to 8th standard, 9th standard. That's why this question is asked in JEE Mains. Hope you are all cleared about this one.